everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today is we will be going to Simala. It's a church here in Cebu. Curious ako ang reflection or so this is what I'm wearing today. I'm just wearing a tank top and then a skirt, and yeah, I'm just wearing this guy. It's so init even though naligo na ko bukan. So init guys, like I cannot with the heat, and I'll update you guys later. Bye. So init. Simala na. Natulog kami the whole biyahe ko. Nagharap pa so many people. Padala. What's inside? Chocolate. So we are here in SNR. Kaya naabot na akong dad. First na buhaton is of course shopping. May nagdagan. Wala lang. Yan ako, magadagan ka. Kasi ako napili.
Melona ice cream.
Malanay rin no. Kasi sila.
Not to you guys after eating.
Kaya na flavor?
Yes, very.
Kita taas ang bulldog. What flavor? Bacon.
Bacon.
Then, kaning burger.
And then more.
So, mag-ibay, Zig.
Wala pa ko na pizza wrap.
Kani din line of flavor?
This one?
Garlic
Saucy?
buttery.
Where?
Line of flavor. Kani is...
Cheese, Philly steak and cheese.
Yeah, na garlic buttery.
Let's grab that. Garlic, buttery, and Philly steak.
Ayan, awa.
Daga na kayo sa tong cart.
Bigyan na, smiley face. Smiley face. Don't forget the mayo.
Yan, dito ka. Oh. Oh.
Why? Nakapilo na to ko.
Bakit mo ba yan sa to? Hey guys, quick update. So I'm binge watching mga videos ni Tony. Here, Tony, and then ako ning tiwas na nagtanaw kani video ni Jamie Chua sa iyahang tour sa iyang house. And along with that, kaya nagpababoy na sad ko guys. Manadid ko mo daot. Naglalan kong chocolate. My sweet tooth kay video siya mapungan. So, that's the update. And yeah, mag-watch ako.
Wanna make shopping.
Grabe niya ka-chupi, oy.
Tara! Here you go. Hi guys! Tara! Let's asa ta padulong.
Overnight.
Finally.
Shell SRP.
Nanami ila melody. Guys, nanami diri sa ila melody ato the room tour. This is the first bedroom. Wow. Second bedroom. Still so empty.
Unfinished.
Ano mo butang rice na?
Ito na may maligo sa pool. Tara. Tara. Mulaga po sila na undang.
Next is enter wala yung space. Enter. Okay ba?
Thank you so much, Dr. Child.
Thanks. Alam ko na di ko rice. Huwag ka ang kakaya. Gutom. Antidepressant. Hello! Ay pa niya ulit yun. Uy, dagan na ba yun? Naglisod ko ganyan. Tama lang. Hindi, lahi. Today is our graduation ball. Nagbit-bit na ko and I'm on my way para magpa-makeup. I look a bit weird kay bold ang akong contacts and I'm not wearing any makeup. But yeah, that is today's update. I think mapit ako seaside kay I need to buy some things. So, see you on the next update.
Okay. Everyone. PSA.
Wow! Steak night today.
너의 꿈이 다르듯이 밤은 같지만 너의 밤은 어땠는지 이렇게 별이 많은 밤을 이 많은 밤을 수고했어 이 많은 밤을 이 많은 밤을
One, okay? For example, I have the summit.
Hello! Walay signal. Fill up sila sa form sa attendance. Connect na lang sa ako ah. It's so init. It's so freaking init. But worth it.
University of San Carlos. This